Today I'll be teaching a lesson for 6th graders on the perimeter, volume, and area of a square. By the end of the lesson, the students should know how to solve for perimeter, area, and volume of a square. They should also know how to use adding and subtracting when solving for the perimeter, area, and volume of a square. To find the perimeter of the square, you add up all the sides, or you take 2 times the height plus 2 times the width, as shown in the picture. You need previous knowledge of addition in order to solve for the perimeter. To find the area of the square, you do the length times the width. To find the volume of the square, you take the width times the height times the length. When solving for area and volume, the students are showing that they know how to incorporate adding and subtracting in order to multiply. The students will be given blocks in order to participate in their hands-on activity. The students will be told dimensions of a square that they have to make in order to find the perimeter of it. Using the cubes will also incorporate that they can solve for perimeter using objects instead of looking at numbers. They'll be shown different dimensions on the board to continue practicing solving for perimeter. After they each practice this on their own a few times, they will be called on to come up to the overhead to show the class. Once they have mastered perimeter, surface area will be introduced. We will show how they use perimeter as a base to help them solve for surface area. They will repeat a similar activity with blocks to show that they are able to solve surface area. They will use the same procedure to show how they know how to solve for volume. At the end of the lesson, the students will be given a chance to ask any questions. Then given a short writing assignment where they will explain how to solve perimeter, area, and volume, and explain how they understand how adding and subtracting for perimeter and how you use adding and subtracting and multiplying to solve area and volume.